Alright guys, we are going to try to make some kind of an apple crisp in the air fryer today. Just for Jeff. Okay, now we've got the air fryer, oven, dehydrator thing. Preheating to 350. And we're just going to kind of see what we can come up with here. I'm going to spray this a bit. Some cooking spray. Got a can of apple pie filling. See what we can do with this. It's kind of by gosh and by whatever. Looks like I'm just going to use the whole thing. Might be a little much, I don't know. All you people that know what you're doing when you do stuff like this, don't cringe. Okay. I think that'll do. Take a little cinnamon. Put a little bit of that over it. Okay. Now I'm going to take, let me get a little. I'm going to sprinkle a little brown sugar over this. No measurements, guys. None at all. Just see what happens. And then I'm going to take a little bit of oatmeal. Sprinkle that over it. Whoops. I might have got carried away. I don't know. What the heck? There we go. A little more brown sugar, why not? That'll be good. Okay. I'm going to take a little bit of butter. Because every recipe that you see that's got apple crisp has butter on the top, right? I'm so glad Jeff's willing to be a guinea pig on this. Is that what you call it, a guinea pig, Jeff? I told him he had to be quiet while I was doing this, and I think he took me to my word. Okay. This is unsalted butter, but I don't know if it matters. And I'm going to take a few pecans that I cut up. Voila. We're going to throw it in the oven and see what happens. I need to put a tray in here to hold that pan. Alright, I think we're going to give it 30 minutes. See what happens. do believe it's done. If I can get a hold of it, guess we'll just bring it out like that. Oh, geez, Louise. All right. There it is. We'll have Jeff taste it in a minute. All right. So we did it at 350 for 30 minutes. I think I probably should have put more oatmeal on the top. Maybe a few more pecans. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, go for it.
Now are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, cut it.
It's gonna fall apart.
Yep. Smells good.
Does it?
I think it does.
Okay. Now. All right, let's taste it.
Okay, taste test.
What do you think? You can be honest.
Tastes good. It could use a little more brown sugar, but it tastes good.
Yeah, good deal. Okay.
Needs ice cream.
So we need it needs a little bit more brown sugar.
It could use a little more brown sugar.
Okay.
Could use slightly more oats, but not necessarily have to. Could definitely use some ice cream. And since I don't have any ice cream, I will probably put a little milk in it.
Okay, that sounds good. So, and this is also gluten-free because it doesn't have any flour in it. So,
Cool.
gee, Tom, if you were here, you could have some.
But it won't last that long.
Have a good day.